everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your premier resource for transforming outdoor spaces into havens of beauty and tranquility. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we're tackling a space that's often forgotten and underutilized, the side yard. That narrow strip of land between your house and your neighbor's fence might seem like a lost cause, but with a little creativity, it can become a beautiful, functional, and inviting part of your home. We're talking about the side house garden with a pathway. So what exactly is that? A side house garden with a pathway is essentially a deliberate and designed landscape feature in the narrow, typically overlooked space alongside a house. It's more than just a patch of grass or a walkway. It's a purposeful combination of a functional path and a curated garden. The pathway serves as the spine of the design, guiding movement and providing access, while the surrounding garden beds, planters, and other decorative elements soften the hard lines of the house and fence, turning a utilitarian corridor into a visual journey. This design approach transforms a simple passage into a destination, connecting the front and backyards while adding significant aesthetic value and a sense of discovery to your property. It's about creating a beautiful transition, not just a way to get from point A to point B. The benefits of having a side house garden with a pathway are numerous. First, it maximizes your property's usable space. In urban and suburban areas where land is at a premium, this design turns an otherwise wasted area into a beautiful and purposeful extension of your home. Second, it enhances curb appeal and property value. A well-designed side garden shows attention to detail and a commitment to maintaining your home's beauty, which is highly attractive to potential buyers. Third, it improves accessibility and functionality. A clear, well-maintained pathway makes it easier to access different areas of your property, whether you're taking out the trash, bringing in groceries, or simply enjoying a stroll. Finally, it can create a private, tranquil retreat. Even in a narrow space, the right combination of plants, lighting, and a soothing pathway material can create a quiet sanctuary, offering a peaceful escape from the busy world. To make your side house garden with a pathway look truly beautiful, you need to consider a few key design principles. Start by establishing a focal point. This could be a small water feature, a unique sculpture, or a stunning potted plant at the end of the path. Next, focus on layers. Use a variety of plant heights, textures, and colors to create visual interest. Taller plants along the fence can provide a sense of enclosure, while medium-sized shrubs and smaller ground cover add depth. Lighting is also crucial. Strategic placement of pathway lights or uplights on key plants can transform the space at night, making it both functional and magical. Don't be afraid to incorporate vertical elements like trellises with climbing vines to draw the eye upward and make the space feel larger. Finally, select a pathway material that complements your home's style. The right stone, gravel, or pavers will tie the entire design together. What are the best materials for a side house garden pathway? Here are some of the best options. First, gravel. An excellent and affordable choice, gravel offers a natural, rustic look. It's permeable, allowing water to drain easily, and the crunch underfoot adds a pleasant sensory element. Use a weed barrier fabric underneath to prevent unwanted growth. Second, stepping stones. Perfect for a more modern, minimalist look, stepping stones create a clean, intentional path. They can be made of concrete, slate, or natural stone and are often set directly into the lawn or surrounded by gravel, moss, or low-lying plants. Third, pavers. Pavers come in a huge variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, allowing for endless design possibilities. They create a solid, durable surface that is easy to maintain and can handle heavier foot traffic. Fourth, brick. Classic and timeless, brick pathways add a sense of history and charm. They are incredibly durable and can be laid in various patterns, from a simple running bond to a more intricate herringbone. Fifth, crushed decomposed granite. This material is a favorite for its natural, earthy appearance. It compacts to a firm surface, making it stable for walking, and is great for creating a clean, rustic path that blends seamlessly with the surrounding landscape. Now let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here are the collection of the top 10 best side house garden with pathway ideas to inspire and spark your creativity. 1. The urban gravel corridor. Perfect for a smaller urban lot, this design uses a simple linear pathway to great effect. The large concrete pavers and a bed of gray gravel provide a crisp, modern look. The raised planter beds and a privacy screen with a perforated design add architectural interest, while the simple, drought-tolerant plants along the wooden fence create a low-maintenance and beautiful corridor. 2. The organic stepping stone path. This side garden proves that a pathway doesn't have to be a straight line. The curved stepping stone path follows the natural contours of the landscape, leading you around a beautiful rock garden mound. The organic shapes and textures of the rocks, combined with the vibrant flowers and lush lawn, create a playful and natural feel that perfectly complements the modern architecture of the home. 3. The tropical oasis pathway. Transport yourself to a tropical paradise with this design. The combination of palm trees, large leafy plants, and the rich texture of the brick and stepping stones creates a lush, exotic feel. The pathway, a combination of brick and stepping stones set into artificial turf, offers a practical yet visually striking route, making even a narrow space feel like a luxurious getaway. For the architectural gateway, this side entrance pathway serves as a dramatic and welcoming gateway to the home. The clean, oversized concrete stepping stones are set into a manicured lawn, leading the eye directly to the modern glass-fronted entryway. The design is simple yet impactful, using architectural plants and a large green hedge to create a sense of scale and privacy without feeling cramped. 5. The cottagecore dream. This charming garden path is the epitome of a soft, romantic design. The irregularly shaped stepping stones are set within a sea of soft, feathery grasses, creating a natural and organic feel. The white trellis and porch add a touch of classic elegance, while the dense, layered planting on either side of the path creates a private and serene journey. 6. The enchanted forest walk. This garden path feels like a magical escape. The winding white gravel path disappears around a bend, inviting you to explore what lies ahead. Lush, mature plants and trees on either side create a sense of seclusion and privacy. The design is a perfect example of a cottage garden style, where the path feels naturally integrated into the surrounding greenery. 7. The serene gravel path retreat. This stunning design showcases how a curved pathway can transform a linear space. The circular lawn acts as a beautiful focal point, while the meandering gravel path, edged with lush garden beds, creates a sense of journey and discovery. The low stone retaining wall and patio area provide a perfect spot for outdoor dining, proving that a side yard can be both beautiful and functional. 8. The modern minimalist walkway. This contemporary side garden uses clean lines and a simple color palette to create a sophisticated and inviting space. The white paving stones and minimalist planter boxes contrast beautifully with the warm brick and horizontal wooden fence. The striking pathway with its clean geometric stepping stones guides the eye towards the glass doors of the home, connecting the garden seamlessly with the interior. 9. The bold and beautiful path. This design is a masterclass in using bold contrasts. The deep charcoal gray brick wall and a warm wooden fence create a powerful backdrop. The pathway itself is a modern checkerboard of gray pavers and vibrant green turf, creating a striking visual pattern. This is a perfect example of how a simple path can become a dominant and beautiful design element. 10. The Zen modern garden. This side garden masterfully blends modern materials with a zen-like tranquility. The sleek water feature with river stones is the centerpiece, creating a calming sound and visual effect. The combination of concrete, gravel, and natural stone, alongside the simple manicured plants, creates a clean, sophisticated, and deeply peaceful outdoor room. So there you have it, 10 incredible ideas to help you transform your side yard from a neglected space into a stunning garden with a pathway. Whether you prefer a tropical feel, a minimalist modern look, or a charming cottage garden, the key is to think of this space not as a chore, but as an opportunity. A well-designed side garden not only adds beauty and value to your home, but also creates a new space for you and your family to enjoy. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next video on how to build a simple DIY raised garden bed. We're here to help you make your garden dreams a reality. Thanks for watching and happy decorating!